Cancer. What up, though? What up, though? Big Man Customs coming at you with extra bonus features. Bonus. Polished. Not polished. Polished. Not polished. Valve cover gasket. Or actually valve covers. There's my hand. Hello. Moving on to the other side. Still kind of damp. So essentially what I did is the front windshield lid of my 55 Buick. I took off the cover, the grill, and grinded it all down to the metal. And now I have some epoxy primer on it to protect the metal. There's the serial number. Big Man Customs, owned by me. So it's nice and smooth. Paint's still wet. Still gotta get inside here. See all that crap inside. That's cake. Gotta get that out. Big Man Customs coming at you live. Extras. Peace out.